All right, and welcome back to SMAT. And this one is a SMAT Quickie. I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm so happy to share with you these short, crisp videos which will get you a lot of marks in your CA exams. Guys, this Quickie today is on GST, a chapter called Returns. You all know that if you are registered under GST, you need to file monthly returns, whether it's for outward supply, whether it's your overall supply, or whether it's your annual return. You need to file a lot of returns. And guys, the confusion is who does not need to file returns? So I'm going to simplify this by a very, very short video. The next 2, 3, 5 minutes will help you simplify this. And in case a question comes in your exam, you'll be answering it in no time because of this SMAT Quickie. So let's move ahead, guys. As you all know, in GST, in the chapter called Returns, there are three main returns which we are looking at. There are three main returns which we are looking at. So let's quickly see what returns we are talking about. Guys, one is GSTR first, which is basically for our outward supplies. Then is GSTR 3B, which is your monthly return. And then this is GSTR 9, which is your annual return. Guys, people know who file these returns, but do you know who does not file these returns? Unfortunately, a lot of respect for ICI module, but it's given in a very confusing manner there, and every other book is also confusing. I'm going to simplify this for you in the next 2 minutes. Guys, GSTR 1, GSTR 3B and GSTR 9, who does not have to file it, is given by the shortcut called is not compulsory. Is not compulsory. So these people, it is not compulsory for them to file these returns. What is I? I is input service distributor. That's the first one. So if you are an input service distributor, that means you have a GST that you pay, but you don't have any outward supply, then you can distribute them to some entities. So those people are not supposed to file GSTR1. Next, guys, N, non-resident taxable person. If you're a non-resident taxable person and you've come to India for a temporary period to supply here, then you're not supposed to file GSTR1. Next, OIDAR. If you're an online information database access and retrieval service provider, example, Google US, then you're not supposed to file GSTR1 in India. Next, guys, is T. Those people who deduct TDS and who deduct TCS. We're not talking about any other TDS, TCS, but GST, TDS, TCS. We will see these concepts more at CA final, but you should know they are not supposed to file their GSTR1. And last is C, compulsory, is composition scheme dealer. So if you're a composition scheme dealer, again, you do not have to file GSTR1. Guys, I hope you understood the short form is not compulsory. Input service distributor, non-resident taxable person, OIDAR, TDS, TCS person, and composition scheme guy does not have to file his GSTR1. What about GSTR 3B, which is the main monthly return? Guys, same thing. Same shortcut is not compulsory, also applies to GSTR1 and GSTR 3B. What about GSTR 9? That is the annual return, which you need to file under section 44. Guys, in that, the shortcut is not casual. This is the short form to learn who does not have to file GSTR 9. Guys, is input service distributor again. N is non-resident taxable person again. O is OIDR again. T is TDS, TCS person again. Guys, and casual. It's not compulsory here. It's casual. Casual means a casual taxable person. These people do not have to file their GSTR 9. That is, they don't have to file their GSTR 9. That is the annual return. Guys, is not compulsory for GSTR 1 and 3B and is not casual for GSTR 9. This will help you save a lot of time. And guys, this chapter suddenly becomes easier to remember when you don't have to file which return. Guys, my lectures are full of such shortcuts. In case you're already a student, you know these shortcuts. In case you're not, these shortcuts will be really helpful to you in all your examination preparation. More such quickies will be updated almost every day. Enjoy them and score and ace the CA exams. Thank you so much.